In this video, I'm going to compare video footage quality between this XiaoMi RedMi 14C and my trusty iPhone 12 Pro. I just wanted to see if a budget smartphone can really perform up against a Pro phone. We're going to do just a quick unboxing video to see what we get inside the box. So you get a cable which is quite short, it's a USB Type-C, and then you have instructions and a manual. And then you have this sticky tab which goes at the back. It's like a phone holder. You can put your finger in there if that turns you on, whatever, that's cool. Some people get aroused by unpeeling brand new things. And there's a big one on the back. Brace yourself. Okay, anyway, now I will power it on and place it down here. However, I have clipped this video and fast forwarded it purely because it did take a long time. So now I'm just going to quickly put all of these settings in there and get to recording. So this is the footage on my iPhone 12 Pro, and this is a Volkswagen transporter. It's a bloody nice transporter. As you can see, the iPhone 12 video quality is performing well. Everything's clear, steady, stabilized. Let's switch on the camera for the XiaoMi RedMi 14C and put it on video mode and start recording, and we're switching over with the power of video magic. So this is the video footage of the XiaoMi Red 14C, and the video quality is actually pretty good for a budget smartphone. So from this point forward, I'm only going to be talking about the Volkswagen Transporter because it's a bloody nice vehicle. That was a quick look at the dash. That's the entertainment unit, and you got some buttons here, AC controls, heating, and then you have two USB Type-C connections, storage at the top, your standard controls for lighting, SOS, etc., a small glove box. And now we're going to look at the seat. Look at that stitching, beautiful. Now we're going to go check out the main part of this vehicle, which is the rear, and it looks amazing. Just look at that setup, beautiful. Now let's go through all the details of this setup. You got the seats there, nicely stitched. Then you got storage beneath the seats, and then I tested the seats by sitting down. It's comfortable, you can relax here. Let's close the door and see how dark it gets. Well, not bad. Okay, so you got more storage here for water. And you got more storage here. This is the microwave, bloody nice, can warm up your pie there. This is the fridge, put your beers, water, Coke, whatever you want to put in there. And you can put ice cream in here, the freezer, mini freezer. And what would you have here? We have storage with a heater tank behind it. This is the mini sink and a gas hob. If I step back for a moment, and that looks pretty cool. Then you have some power connections here, USB cigarette lighter, two plugs, and then you have above that is controls to turn the power on, hot water, lighting, temperature control. Above that you have more storage and more storage and more storage, and here, you guessed it, more storage. It's like a little mini wardrobe. You can hang your clothes there, throw your shoes down there, and fold your clothes and stick them on top. I think it's pretty nice. And guess what? This is more storage, and that's a very nice. Right, let's get out of here and go check out the boot. Can we call it the boot? I don't know. So in the rear it has two mini seats. We'll check them out later. Let's have a look in here. Is it not? No, it's not more storage. It's the electrical unit and battery. In here you can put your gas bottles because it's got the gas connection for the gas stove. The seat there, it's soft. Let's take a seat on there. Let's see if my bum can fit on it. No, failure. Mission failed. Can't fit on there. Must be for kids. There is one more thing to take a look at, and on the outside you have this power connection to get power to the vehicle, charge your batteries, etc. Now I like to make content which is short, to the point. I hope this quick look over on the Volkswagen Transporter was interesting, and this video has been recorded by XiaoMi RedMi 14C. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't share. Share. You have to share.